welcome back to Miss Jessica's Preschool. And do you see what we're talking about today? Do you know what these birds are? They're penguins. Today is all about penguins. So friends, let me show you what we're going to do today. First, we are going to do circle time, and that's when we sing good morning to our friends. Then I'm going to do a real quick story about penguins. Then we're going to sing a silly song about penguins. Then I'm going to show you something really fun you could do with ice. And then we'll sing the goodbye song. Okay, friends, let's start here. So get your hands ready. Good morning to you. Good morning to you. Good morning, my friends. Good morning to you. Good morning, friends. I'm so happy you joined us today. All right, we're going to take that down. And now, let me tell you a little story about some penguins. Now, this story is about 10 little penguins. And we have 10 fingers. So we can use our fingers to tell the story. And if you hold up both of your hands, that's 10. 5 here and 5 here. So here we go. We're going to just start with 1. 1 little, 2 little, 3 little penguins. 4 little, 5 little, 6 little penguins. 7 little, 8 little, 9 little penguins. 10 little waddling penguins. Penguins waddle. They kind of move differently. This is a waddle like that. Oh my goodness. Here's my little penguin friend. All right, the story is all done, friends. So now I want to teach you a really, really funny penguin song. And it goes like this. Let me get my penguin again to help. In the South Pole, with the ice and snow, there was a little penguin, and his name was Joe. He got so tired of black and white, he wore his red pajamas to the party that night. Oh my goodness! Red pajamas? Do penguins wear red pajamas? No. But this little guy, his name's Joe, and he got so tired of wearing black and white because most penguins are black and white. He didn't want to wear black and white anymore. He wore his red pajamas. Oh my goodness, that's so silly. All right, the song's all done. So you know what? Let me show you something really cool that you could try at your house for our special star activity. Let me show you what happened, friends. Oh my goodness. Oh no! My animal friends got stuck in the ice! Oh no, it's ice! We have to rescue them! Look there's whales and a squid. Oh dear, how could we rescue our friends from the ice? Well, let me show you. You could get a cup full of water. Now this is cold water, so we're going to see if we can use the water to help rescue our friends. Now let me show you what else I'm using. Do you know what this is? It's a straw. So what you can do is when you dip it into the water, you can put your finger on the top like this. And then when you pull it out of the water, keep your finger on the top until you get it to where you want it. And then you let go of the straw and the water comes out. I got water stuck in my straw when I did that. I put my finger at the top and pull out the straw and I put it on. You know what? This isn't really working. They're still really stuck. I wonder if I could try different kind of water. This is cold water. I wonder what would happen if I tried warm water. Maybe that would work. So you could try this at your home with some warm water and try and rescue the animals. Or if you have little penguins, maybe you could have them slide on the ice and maybe help rescue their friends. That would be fun too. All right, so rescue the animals in the ice is a fun activity to try at your house. And now let's sing the goodbye song, okay? Now you can use your hands to act it out. See you later, alligator, after a while, crocodile, in an hour, sunflower, maybe 2, kangaroo, gotta go, buffalo, adios, hippo, chow chow, brown cow, See you soon, baboon. I do, cockatoo. Better swish, jellyfish. Chop, chop, lollipop. Gotta run, skeleton. Bye, bye, butterfly. Better shake, rattlesnake. Our day now ends, so goodbye, good friends. Bye, friends. We'll see you next time.